Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here, please subscribe, followed by the bell. So, the Google Pixel 7 Pro will have many similarities with its predecessor in terms of design. It has a two-tone housing the black bar with the horizontal triple camera. The new top model should come with a 6.7 or a 6.8 curved OLED display. The Google Pixel 6 Pro uses a 6.71-inch screen, thus there is not much change with respect to the screen size. Presumably, the QHD Plus display resolution will be maintained, as will the adaptive 120Hz refresh rate. This makes moving animations look much nicer. The high refresh rate also comes in handy when scrolling through long web pages. The smartphone will also use a rounded screen as well as a center punch hole camera design. This makes the smartphone looks premium. It will also come with an under-screen fingerprint sensor. However, there are reports that the front camera will remain the same. This is because many users love the 11.1 MP ultra-wide-angle camera in the Pixel 6 Pro. The device is free of buttons on the left, but the SIM compartment can be found. The bottom has room for the USB Type-C port, as well as a speaker and a microphone. The Pixel 7 series will be powered by the second-generation Tensor chip, which is undoubtedly even better and faster than its predecessor. This device could come with up to 12 GB of RAM, and there will most likely be a choice of 128 GB and 256 GB storage memory. Of course, the Pixel 7 Pro will not only use a new processor but will also use new software. Work is now underway on Android 13. This new operating system will debut in the Pixel 7 series. No information is available yet about the battery capacity and charging options. The current Pro model is equipped with a 5000 mAh battery that provides a long battery life. Charging is quite slow. The device offers support for 23W fast charging. Little concrete information is known about the camera details for the time being. Possibly the same sensors are used in that case. The Google Pixel 7 will be equipped with a dual camera setup on the rear, a 50MP wide-angle camera and a 12MP ultra-wide-angle camera. However, there have also been rumors of the ultra-wide-angle camera being updated to a 50MP sensor. Only the Pro model is equipped with a telephoto lens for making selfies. The American manufacturer again seems to opt for an 8-megapixel image sensor with an f2.2 lens. Even though the sensors and lenses will not be upgraded, it is expected that the new model will deliver better image quality than before thanks in part to the new chipset and Android 13. There is still some uncertainty about the battery capacity. That would mean that the battery life is slightly extended, as the screen becomes smaller than before. The base model has a suggested retail price of €650. For the Pro model, prices start at €900. Presumably the prices of the new models will be close to this. That is it guys. Without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching, see you on my next video. Peace out.